everybody, this is Hans. It's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got a kind of weird one. This is Wicked Foods late night rice noodles. And I did another one of these Wicked Foods varieties the other day. It turns out it's a pair of brothers that want people to eat a lot of vegan food. I don't know. It's like some of these backstories are just like kind of ridiculous. But it says it's quick to make rice noodles with fragrant basil, soy, and smoky barbecue broth flavors, naturally flavored, and it's all plant-based and yada yada yada. And it's got 1 pepper of spiciness, even though that's what it had on the spicy coconut one as well. But anyways, there's just like scads and scads and scads of powder and just some basic rice noodle in here. So we're gonna get this going. Oh, ooh. So, my God, that is exquisite pain. Oh God, Jesus. Anyways, so I just got back from taking my beloved pet Pepper outside for her daily morning stroll, and well, oh crap, we got a leaky cup here too. You gotta be crapping me. I'm getting crapped here, folks. So we're gonna take this. Now I'm gonna put you in here. We're gonna start the timer. Wow. Anyways, so I never knew of this whole concept. You know, I've always heard the term making fun of somebody. You know, it's just like, geez, I don't think they're even housebroken. Well, there is such a thing as housebreaking, which is making it so that, you know, your pet will excoriate its internal power outdoors, and me and Pepper have yet to make that happen. So it's still the pea pads. It's only like the 3rd day we've had her, mind you, but you'll get there. Don't worry, you're gonna get there. And we're still working on what do you call it, the whole concept of healing. Let's see, how bad is this? You know, I knew one of these days I would have a cup that I popped open that would leak a little bit. As long as I don't put any pressure on it, it seems to be fine. And it leaked just slightly. But I could see air bubbles coming out of the bottom when I was stirring it. But anyways, here. Say hi. There's my girl right there. Pepper. Yeah, you're passing out. That's fine. But yeah, it's been another funny day. Yesterday, took her out walking. She just had a blast chasing leaves. And today we were walking in a spot. It's like a really nice, bright, sunny day, which is kind of crummy for taking shots. But she was chasing her shadow. It's like we were walking this way, and my shadow was here, and her shadow was there. She was like, you know, like losing her mind about it. It was great. Cute puppy stuff. She does a lot of that. But walked, what, it's 11 now. I think it's just about 2 hours out there. And I got her to just like load up on water when we left, thinking like, hey, she's gonna have to pee. So we get home, I take her off the leash. I was gonna put her directly into the, got this thing, it's called an X pen. Basically like a collapsible cage thing. And anyways, she's going for the water immediately. She like runs over the water and starts drinking. I'm like, okay, fine, you know, let her drink for a second and put her in. She pees while she's drinking the water. So I'm like, oh God. She'll get there. She'll get there. It's an uphill battle, but you know, it's a puppy. It's a baby animal thing deal. So, but it's frustrating, but it's also really cool. She's a neat dog. She's a very loving dog. My favorite is like having a couple beers and sitting on the couch and she just falls asleep on my lap. Oh my god, that's great. Not super common, but she will do that. But yeah. Yeah, these noodles, I really don't know what to expect other than if it's the same as the last one, they're very thick and saucy, almost a syrupy kind of sauce. And I'm not like super enthused about that. And they smell like barbecue flavored potato chips. Seriously. I mean, that's exactly what they smell like. And that's not exceedingly wonderful of a thing. So I don't know what to think about that. But yeah, maybe I should just pour them in the bowl right now. I've got an interesting set today. I thought I would, I don't know, sometimes it's hard to get a good set of noodles that sound interesting and fun. And when you take the label off of these, they get really hot. Ah, there we go. Look at, can you see that? Yeah, you can see that. See how I'm saying it's like almost like syrupy? And that's a large Boeing aircraft going over. Getting ready to be delivered to some company. Oh, there's a bunch of the gunk on the bottom. It's kind of late for that. Shoot. Well, gosh. What I should see here is how much juice is left on the phone. Because I use a phone, that's the camera you're seeing there. 55%, that's good for now. Well, let's give this rice noodle a try. They're really kind of like, they also make like a beef stroganoff that's vegan, plant-based, but I think the noodles they use are the same ones, because I mean you could use this as the same kind of deal. Yeah, there's the noodle. Oh, that's weird, but it's not bad. You know, that really reminds me of yeah, it does really remind me of like Chinese varieties. But the broth, whoa. It's like the sloppiest broth ever. Look at this stuff. It's like syrup. Look at that. They're calling it broth, but this is a sauce. I'm sorry. It's got more heat than the other one, that's for sure. As far as their stars of heat rating system, I would put this probably at a 2 rather than a 1. And we'll throw in some spring onion, which is wonderful. I don't know. Aside from like, she pulls to the left, and I'm trying to get her to walk on the right. I know she's like what, just over 9 weeks old, but I figure it's an uphill climb, and I might as well start climbing uphill. That's the way I see it. But yeah, we're gonna be doing a lot of walking on the trail, and if she's walking on the other side, that's gonna be definitely no bueno. So there we are. That's about all I can think of doing for this one. Let's do some rotato action. Yeah. That was tricky today. It was really bright, and I'm light sensitive, so that wasn't enthusing, and I had no enthusiasm for said sunlight. And now I gotta close the window thing. Yeah, I had a feeling she was just going to pass out like that. She did yesterday. It's good. She's comfy. It was funny though. It's just like as soon as we get home, she's just like, oh, I see we are in the parking lot. We are going to go and allow, you know, me to go inside and pee wherever I want. But some peaceful time for little Pepper. What the heck do I do? I need something to block that. Well, thank you for bearing with me. That was a lot of rotation on the Rotato, but I'm trying to deal with this window because the blinds, they don't go down all the way we have this thing set up with the AC unit. So it's like a real pain, and I've got to get everything just in the right spot so I can take the pictures afterwards. But this is a Nissan. Oh no, is it? Yeah, this is a Nissan Dunbury. It's like a mini Dunbury. I don't know what flavor it is. It'll be in the title. It'll be a surprise for all of us. So, yeah, it looks almost like it's Harasame or some kind of really, really thin deal. But, yeah, it's a mini, a cup noodle mini or a bowl Dunbury mini, teeny tiny. This has been Hans the Ramen Rainer wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.